You're here in Collegetown Center on the 3rd floor. We're going to visit the 1-bedroom apartment 306. We are down towards the west end of the hallway. There are just a few doors left on the end of the hall before we go around the corner. The next door apartment is number 307, but the door to that is all the way around the corner. You can see the picture on the wall at the end. Between the apartment and the corner, there's a small utility closet, a set of stairs, and the trash room and recycle and the trash chute before you go around the corner to apartment 307, which is actually next door. Let's go on into the unit. It's the same kitchen setup that we've seen everywhere else. So you can see the refrigerator, the stove and oven at the end, microwave, dishwasher and sink, cabinets and drawers. And as we go into the apartment, we've got a closet and the bathroom. So let's go over here. Here's closet. This is a hall closet because it's a 1-bedroom. And then the bathroom, same as we've seen elsewhere. The tub shower with the sliding door, the vanity, the toilet, the large mirror, and the cabinet on the wall for your smaller bathroom items. So this space here, this is what an angle style studio apartment would be. Just this room here. This is the same size as a studio apartment. What will make it different is this separate bedroom over to the right. So let's take a look. So we have the dining table and chairs here on this side. And then these are the items that are specifically in the 1-bedroom unit. We've got the seating areas, the tables and chairs. So this would all have, if you were a studio apartment, these items here would not be in the apartment. And this is where your bed and dresser and desk and chair and bookshelf would go. We're on the south side of the building. These 1-bedrooms are on the south side, 306, all these 06 ones. And you can see this is the brighter side of the building. We have some beautiful natural light back here, and you can see beautiful valley views over to our southwest. So again, this is the living room space because it's a 1-bedroom apartment. But if this was a studio, this would be the entire apartment. Now let's take a look at what makes a 1-bedroom apartment different from a studio. We have this separate door, it closes off, and then we have a whole separate bedroom with a door that closes off. So this is your bedroom furniture. So this would be on all the apartments, the desk and chair, the dresser, the bookshelf, the full-size bed. We've got another nice big window here. And again, the bedroom door that closes and separates the rest of the apartment from the living room space. That's what makes this a 1-bedroom apartment. Okay, let's look at these 2 doors here. In this unit, the 06 style here in Collegetown Center, we have great closet space. Look at this. We have that hall closet, then we still have this additional closet space in here. So this is the 06 model of the 1-bedroom apartments here in Collegetown Center. We have this available on floor 2 through 6 of this 6th floor elevator building. We're gonna go over towards the window. I wanna show you right next door to us. This is part of the window of the living room of that 07 model apartment. Okay, so that is right next to us. And again, the door is around the corner. Of the 2 1-bedroom apartments, the 06 and the 07 models. This model, the 06, is slightly larger because we have that angle. You can see that over there, the angle window sticks out a little bit. And because we have a slightly larger bedroom with that extra bedroom closet. So of the 2 1-bedroom styles, 06 and 07, that we have multiple options on floors 2 through 6 of both of those. 06 is gonna be larger. Of course, we have the other singular 1-bedroom apartments. That would be 103, 104, and 627. Those are all unique models that are very different from each other and these other apartments, so you definitely want to take a look at the individual videos for those. But so that's a look at 306, trying to show you the difference between what a studio and a 1-bedroom apartment is, so that you can see that a 1-bedroom is larger than a studio and has more space. Here we are at Collegetown Center, 151 Dryden Road, located just 1 block from campus, here in this 6th floor elevator building in central Collegetown.